Hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, today I give you some iOS 14 widget tips and tricks in your iPhone and iPad. Lot of iPhone and iPad users report to how to add widgets in your iPhone and iPad after iOS 14 updates. So guys, please follow the steps. Guys, today learn about how to add widgets to iPhone in iOS 14. So how to use widgets in your iPhone. Please follow the step. First of all, open App Store. In App Store top corner, search photo widgets. Then you can see also first applications photo widgets. So please download. The second application is you can search top color widgets in your iPhone and iPad in App Store. So please enter color widgets. And you can see also color widgets applications, so please download. So this application to easily color widgets add in your iPhone screen and iPad screen easily. So guys, please follow the steps how to use. Third application is Widgetsmith in your iPhone and iPad in App Store. So please search Widgetsmith and you can see first application download easily. And this application to easily add widgets in your iPhone screen and iPad screen after iOS 14 updates. I share with you some tips and tricks about iOS 14 widgets in your iPhone and iPad easily. So guys, please follow the steps. 3 application to easily add customize widgets in your iPhone and iPad. So first of all, open color widgets in your iPhones. Then you can see also many types color widgets in your iPhone screens. So you can see also easily many types widgets in these applications. So you can select any one widgets and customize easily. So you can see also small, medium and large widgets. Then background color change, also theme color change, then fonts easily change. In these applications many widgets to customize easily, like background color, fonts, background image. Then changes after select set widgets. So then come back in your iPhone screens. So how to add customized widgets in your iPhone screen and iPad screen. So first of all, come back, then press your iPhone screen, then right corner you can see plus icon, then scroll down and select color widgets. In color widgets you can see also small widgets, medium widgets and large widgets. So I can select medium widgets in my iPhone screen easily. You can see also easy to add customized widgets in your iPhone screen and iPad screen after iOS 14 updates. So color widgets after second application is photo widgets. So you can see also photo widgets application. Step by step follow how to add photo widgets in your iPhone and iPad after iOS 14 updates. So please follow the steps. So first step, on plus icon in photo widgets applications. Then you can select easily your favorite pics in your iPhone and iPad. So I can also select my pics, and if you can't another pic select, so again tap on plus icon and easily add your another pics in your iPhone and iPad. Photo select after come back in your iPhone home screens, then press the home screens and you can see also top right corner plus icon. So tap on plus icon. So tap plus icon after you can see also photo widgets. So tap on photo widgets and you can see small, medium and large widgets. So I can select small widgets in my iPhone screens. Select photo widgets after you can see photo refresh retrieval. In photo refresh retrieval you can change automatically photos in your iPhone home screens. So select how much time change your photos in home screens easily. The last application is Widgetsmith in your iPhone and iPad. Widgetsmith you can see also small wedges, medium wedges and large wedges. So I can select also small wedges in my iPhone screens. Select small wedges, after you can see also add small wedges. So easily add small wedges in your iPhone screens. So press on home screen and top right corner plus icon tap, then you can scroll down and select Widgetsmith. In Widgetsmith you can see also small, medium and large wedges in your iPhone screens. So I can select small wedges, and in Widgetsmith you can see also calendar, world times also add in Widgetsmith. So easily you can add customize wedges in your iPhone and iPad. Hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.